Hello everyone. I will be talking about monitoring the ground nesting riverine birds of Kollidam River in Tamil Nadu. This is part of long-term monitoring of the endangered black-bellied tern in Tamil Nadu, part of Kaveri and Kollidam River. These are all our objectives. One of the major objectives is to identify the black-bellied tern nesting grounds. We surveyed Kaveri and Kollidam River in 2021 to 2023. We did 15 minutes point count at every 500 meters along these rivers. We recorded black-bellied tern in 12 points. We selected 172 kilometer river stretch, a potential habitat of black-bellied tern, and conducted intensive survey every month in 2023. The black-bellied tern were recorded only about 50 to 60 kilometer river stretch. The graph shows the frequency of the occurrence of black-bellied tern in the year. We selected 55 kilometer river stretch and actively searched for black-bellied tern nest. We did grid-based field survey in Kollidam River. We mapped the sandbed habitat where black-bellied tern nest and searched 252 grids in 2023 and 245 grids in 2024. The grid size is 500 into 500 meter. Two observers walked in a zigzag manner and searched a nest in the sandbed. We recorded track in the Locus mobile app. We did survey in March to April. These are some stats showing our effort for both the years. Here is the black-bellied tern incubating the egg. And here is the nest with the chick. We found 3 nests in both the years. In total, 2 nests were successfully fledged in both the years. Here are our target ground nesting species, and we also recorded other ground nesting bird species during our survey. This image shows the nesting locations of all the ground nesting birds recorded during our survey. In 2024, we recorded 427 nests. This is double the amount of nests recorded in 2023. It may be because we start the survey bit yearly, as well as our ability to detecting the nest increased. These are some of the nests of various bird species recorded during our survey. This heat map shows the more number of nests, possibly for habitat heterogeneous habitat in the regions. We will continue our nest search in coming years. We will also be studying breeding biology of black-bellied tern and other river-dependent ground nesting birds. We thank our supporters and well-wishers, Tamil Nadu Forest Department, for giving permissions